How to unlock your Samsung phone if you forgot the password. In this video, I'll show you guys a few methods you can try to unlock your phone if you've forgotten its PIN or password. So let me just lock my phone up first, and then I'm going to open it again. So as you can see here, if I swipe up, I'm going to have to enter my PIN. So if I enter the PIN and then tap on OK, as you can see, it says incorrect PIN. So what you're going to have to do first is go to this emergency call option. And then here you're going to have to enter the emergency numbers. So here are a few numbers that you can try to call. So tap on the asterisk button, then hash, and then 601, and then hash again. Try to call this. But if it says can't call, try another one. So you could keep trying. Asterisk has 4 zeros, and then again, hash. Do the same thing. There's another one, asterisk hash, 1100 asterisk hash again. And then finally, you have to press asterisk hash 0808 and then go again, asterisk and hash. So once you've done this, you can try to unlock the phone, but what you can do is just try to enter a random pin here. And if it doesn't work, so keep trying until it says try again. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And as you can see here, it says try again. Now I'm going to long press on the power button, then tap and hold the power menu. From here, you'll have an option to go to safe mode. You can just try to tap on it and then restart your device on safe mode. Then restart it back again and just enter the PIN that you have just entered, and you might be able to log into your phone. So these are the few ways that you can try to do to unlock your device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.